Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek. In today's video, I want to touch on how to win during a recession with a digital marketing agency, mainly with Google, because believe it or not, it's one of the best opportunities to run your agency and crush all your competition who has too much overhead and is going to die off. All right, so that last part was a little morbid. I'll give myself that. And what do I mean by competition dying off? I mean the agencies who have 600, 700 employees. That's a lot of overhead. That's a lot to maintain during a downturn in an economy. So if you're running lean, and if you watch my videos, you most likely are running a lean agency, and that's how you should stay, at least for now. Cut back on costs and everything, but here's how you can win when everyone else is panicking and lighting their hair on fire, running around with their digital marketing agencies, because people don't have money to spend. Local businesses are running out of money to spend when there's a recession. It obviously trickles down into us who run marketing for these businesses. They're not going to run marketing if their businesses have no money, right? So how is this a win for us? Well, let me tell you. Yeah, small local businesses who spend $500 a month, $1,000 a month on marketing, they're going to be hit. Like, these are the guys who are going to be like, no, I got to stop my advertising. I don't have the money for it and stuff like that. That's fine. The medium-sized businesses, though, who are spending $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month with marketing, advertising, Google ads, SEO, whatever, they're going to be fine. They're not going to go anywhere. They're going to see this opportunity to keep spending and take out their competition, because the competition, believe it or not, is going to be folding up, right? They're just going to start panicking, and this is going to happen with the majority of all industries. When a recession hits, they're going to start panicking, and they're going to fold up and clam up and keep their marketing dollars in-house and just try and weather this storm. So that makes an opportunity for us, because as long as you're still out there getting clients and marketing yourself and building up your agency, which you should never stop doing regardless of what happens with the economy, then our competition, the bigger guys, are going to start slowing down. And that leaves the market wider open for us, not even including the fact that when people start pulling marketing dollars from Google, because Google is insanely overflated right now. The click prices are wild. That is going to come down. The more we get into the recession, that's going to come down, because people are going to pull from Google because it's so expensive. They're going to put those marketing dollars somewhere else, right? They're going to put them into Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or something like that. So that's going to bring click costs down across the board with Google, which leaves opportunity for us, for our clients, right? So we're going to be able to come in and start doing the same thing we're doing right now, but we're going to get more leads for our clients at a cheaper cost per lead, higher conversion rates. Just keep doing what you're doing. The most important thing to survive the recession is to create a marketing plan, whether that's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you stick to that, you execute that plan, or whatever. Create a schedule, create a marketing plan, and keep pouring all of yourself into getting clients, right? Because people are still going to spend money. Listen, e-commerce is never going away, ever. I don't care if it's a freaking depression, it's never going away. People want to go online and buy stuff and have it delivered to their house. They don't want to go to malls anymore. It's just the way it is. This is the future, okay? So regardless of what anyone tells you, it's never going to go away. If anything, recession, look at COVID. It helped e-commerce. E-commerce was killing it during COVID. And that was that was worse than a freaking recession. That was a lockdown depression. All businesses were like, nope, can't work anymore, stop. So it's never going to be as bad as that. Keep that in mind. It's a recession. It's going to suck, for everybody, but just keep your head up, keep marketing, don't stop. And there's dozens of ways you can market without spending a ton of money, right? You don't have to market on Google and spend all that money, cost per click stuff. You can do direct mail, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I mean, there's tons of different strategies you can use to keep getting clients during this downturn, which is only going to weed out the lower tier guys anyway, right? Like the guys spending 25 to 50 a day in Google ads, they're gone. They're not going to stick around for a recession. Like I said, though, the guys who are spending, $5,000, $10,000, $30,000 a month, they're going to be fine. They're going to stay around. And you're going to be able to get them better results now, because Google is going to finally come down for the overcorrection from their insanely priced clicks that they are right now, because competition that has too much overheads out the door. They're going to clam up and save that money. So take away from this video, don't panic. All right, get a marketing plan, stick to the plan, right? Every week, execute. That's all you got to do. Weather the storm. The first 2 months will be terrible, and then you'll get into a rhythm and you'll be fine. Then when the upswing comes on the back end of this, everyone's going to be killing it who made it the whole way. All right, guys. Talk soon.